or without the bend, but that's all it is. $80,000 for that. Sad. And let me just clarify. College is good for some people. College is good for some professions. I totally get that. But a lot of people don't go into it even knowing what they want to do. If that's you, do not take out that debt. 2 people had sex in the 90s and now have to pay bills. A effing scam. Wow, I really feel bad for you. This is the mindset of a lot of people. You can change your situation. You really can. You have that power. That's the beauty of being an individual.